I only have eyes for you, Julie.
I only have eyes for these cookies, literally. This week on Dak and Ju, we are doing a special holiday edition. We are making my family's pepakaka.
Normally, all I want is a soft, doughy, chewy cookie, but this is sort of like brown sugar, butter, crisp, melt in your mouth, tasty, almost like a Biscoff.
First things first, we are going to cream our butter and our sugar together. We are adding in 1 cup of butter that's kind of softened like room temp. Now we're adding 1.5 cups of sugar.
So then we're adding 1 egg. Now we have creamed our butter and sugar.
Mixy, mixy.
Scrape down the sides.
Now we're adding 1 tablespoon of molasses. 2 3/4 cups of just plain old flour.
Yeah, we're really tapping into Julie's Nordic roots.
Truly.
These cookies.
Well, honestly though, we had so many like Scandinavian cookies growing up around Christmas. Like pepakaka, serena kaka, cream kaka. I'm serious.
Oh, because kaka is
Kaka's
cookie.
cookie.
I was like, wow, there's a lot of kakas.
2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. I think that's good.
Cool.
Okay, so we've mixed it. Not too much. And then we're just gonna put this whole thing into the fridge to chill. All right, so our dough has been chilled.
While it was chilling, we did a wine tasting.
Convenient.
There's a lot you can do at that time.
Walk your dog, drink some wine.
Take a bath. I'm gonna give this a go, Julie. I'm gonna give this a go.
Go for it. A viola, a bat, an evergreen tree, a star, and a heart because I liked it.
It's funny because I always call these squirrel cookies, and the reason for that is because A, I cannot pronounce them, and B, because the first probably 3 years in a row that I had them, the only cookie cutter that Julie had was a squirrel, and so they were just always squirrel shaped.
Squirrel cookies.
I thought that was significant to like Norwegian culture, but it's not.
There are a lot of squirrels in Norway.
Enough?
Well, maybe a little bit more on this side.
Okay.
Pretty thick.
Oh
my
no. Oh God, what a disaster.
No,
This is a holiday nightmare.
these are forgiving. Just squish it back together. Okay.
This is pretty darn thin.
Pretty darn thin, like a piece of cardboard, but thinner.
Oh yeah, like a pizza box. Could kill you. Truly. I'm the most annoying person.
7 minutes happens so fast. But like this with a cup of coffee, your life will be changed. And honestly, they make so many you can give away as presents.
Pepakaka for everyone.
Pepakaka!
I want this one.
Oh my god, so hot.
How did we get away with only 1 viola? They don't have brown sugar in them, but they just taste like brown sugar and butter, and they're crispy.
It's like the toastiness of them. The molasses adds like a really nice, like kind of like sweet, but not overly sweet. They get crunchy as they get colder.
They're so good.
Like these are by far my favorite Christmas cookie. Other than like classic sugar, but
Yeah, that's like